Ever wonder why your GPS works so well? Or how smartphones got so smart? Space exploration fuels tons of everyday tech. It pushes us to innovate, solve problems, and dream bigger, ultimately improving lives here on Earth for everyone, young and old. Okay, here's a little story about a truly incredible moment. Back in 1969, Neil Armstrong took one small step. But before that, Gene Kranz, the flight director, calmly guided the lunar module through a critical, near-disastrous descent. His cool head and unwavering focus literally saved the mission. The crimson dust of Mars swirled around Alara's boots as she planted the final sunflower seed. Years of training, of dreaming, culminated in this tiny splash of Earth's beauty. For everyone who ever looked up, she whispered, a single tear tracing a path through the grit. Ever used GPS, enjoyed a satellite TV signal, or benefited from medical advancements? Space exploration fuels these everyday innovations. It pushes us to solve incredible challenges, leading to technologies that improve our lives and inspire future generations. It's about a better future for all. NASA's James Webb Telescope recently detected carbon dioxide in the atmosphere of WASP 96b, a hot gas giant 660 light-years away. This is the first definitive detection of an exoplanet's atmosphere's composition. It demonstrates Webb's powerful capabilities and paves the way for analyzing other X. Okay, here's an explanation of a cool space development, aiming for around 50 words. Scientists are buzzing about fusion propulsion. Imagine rockets that use the same energy as the sun to travel way faster and farther than we can now. It's still early days, but fusion could revolutionize space travel, making trips. Space exploration fuels countless innovations. GPS technology, scratch-resistant lenses, and medical imaging all originated from NASA research. Satellite communication connects the globe, while studying Mars informs our understanding of climate change. SpaceX's reusable rockets are revolutionizing space travel and lowering costs. Ever used GPS, benefited from medical imaging, or enjoyed a satellite TV show? Space exploration fuels these innovations. It's about pushing boundaries, inspiring future generations like my daughter who dreams of being an astronaut and ultimately improving life here on Earth. Did you know that NASA's Voyager 1 is currently sending back data from outside our solar system? Launched in 1977, it's the farthest human-made object, and it's beaming back information about the interstellar medium, the vast, sparse space between stars. It's a truly incredible probe. Imagine thriving lunar cities, asteroid mining fueling Earth's industries, and voyages to Mars becoming commonplace. Advanced propulsion could shrink interstellar distances, revealing alien worlds and fundamentally changing our understanding of life. A future brimming with discovery and humanity's boundless potential amongst the stars. Here's a historical moment with a human story. In 1969, Neil Armstrong's one small step on the moon captivated the world. Gene Kranz, a flight controller, famously yelled, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." A moment born from intense. Okay, here's a little space story. Did you know Valentina Tereshkova was the first woman in space? In 1963, she bravely piloted Vostok 6 for nearly 3 days, orbiting Earth 48 times. It was a huge leap for women in science, fueled by her dedication and space exploration fuels incredible advancements. Satellite technology delivers global communication, weather forecasting, and GPS. Studying Mars seeks signs of past life, while observing distant galaxies expands our understanding of the universe's origins. These endeavors drive innovation in materials science and inspire future generations. Okay, here's a discussion of an unsolved mystery, aiming for a general audience and around 50 words. The WOW signal in 1977, a strong, narrowband radio signal was detected from space, dubbed the WOW signal. Its origin remains unknown. Was it a natural phenomenon, or did you know that NASA's Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft are currently experiencing spacequakes? These are sudden, localized shifts in the spacecraft's orientation, seemingly caused by gravitational interactions with distant, unseen planets like Neptune and Saturn. This demonstrates our solar system's immense, chaotic gravitational influence. Okay, picture this. Lunar bases bustling with research, Mars colonies thriving with terraforming, and asteroid mining fueling incredible advancements. We'll be chatting with AI companions on Europa and glimpsing exoplanets teeming with life, a truly boundless, collaborative human adventure amongst the stars. Here's a fascinating fact. NASA's Voyager 1 and 2 spacecraft are currently farther from Earth than any human-made object. They're venturing into interstellar space, sending back data about the edge of our solar system. This incredible journey offers a unique. Within decades, humanity will dance among the stars. Within decades, humanity will dance among the stars. Lunar bases blossom, Mars colonies ignite with pioneering spirit, and asteroid mining fuels our ambitions. Imagine children born on the moon, gazing back at Earth, a testament to our boundless curiosity and the enduring human desire to explore. Seriously, the future of space is wild. Imagine lunar cities bustling with tourists, Mars colonies thriving, and probes discovering alien life. We'll be building starships, mining asteroids for resources, and fundamentally changing our understanding of the universe. It's an unbelievably exciting adventure. Ever used GPS? Or benefited from scratch-resistant phone screens? Space exploration fuels these innovations. Researching space helps us understand Earth's climate, develop medical technologies like MRI machines, and even inspires new materials. It's about a better future for everyone here on Earth. Ever used GPS? Or benefited from advancements in medical imaging? Space exploration fuels these innovations. It's about pushing boundaries, inspiring future generations like my daughter who dreams of becoming an astronaut. It's about our potential and a better future for all of us. During the Apollo missions, astronauts famously collected lunar rocks, but they also meticulously documented the sounds of the moon. Using highly sensitive microphones, they recorded a bizarre, almost silent vacuum, a haunting, high-pitched ringing. This revealed a profound disconnect, reminding us of our isolation and the immense scale of space. Space exploration fuels incredible advancements. GPS technology, originally developed for satellite navigation, now guides us daily. Medical innovations like MRI. Did you know Europe's fog in furnaces? Did you know Europe's fog in furnaces, locally known as Mariahilfsnebel, is a summer phenomenon? Between July and August, a cold, moist air mass from the Atlantic clashes with hot, dry air over the Alps. This creates dense, localized fogs, particularly in towns like Innsbruck, Austria. End of Summer in Europe showcases diverse perspectives. David's melancholic exploration of grief through Parisian streets offers a poignant, solitary journey. Lena's frantic, almost manic, search for her estranged brother reveals a raw, familial struggle. Liam's quiet observation of rural Spain presents a meditative. The disappearance of Giulio Regeni in Cairo in 2016 remains a chilling mystery. An Italian student researching EU-Egypt relations, he was found murdered with signs of torture. Suspicions point to the Egyptian security services, but no definitive proof has emerged. The lack of a body and conflicting evidence fuel speculation, creating a haunting enigma. Did you know Europe traditionally celebrates Wiener Wiesn, Munich's Oktoberfest after summer's end? Beginning in mid-September, it's a massive, centuries-old beer festival fueled by the last burst of warm weather and a poignant farewell to the season. It's significant as a cultural cornerstone and Okay, here's a historical moment focusing on a human story during the late summer of 1914, just before World War I. The Sarajevo assassination, June 28, 1914. Gavrilo Princip, a young Bosnian Serb nationalist, assassinated Archduke Franz Ferdinand and his wife Sophie. The disappearance of Olivia Gregory in 1998, during the filming of End of Summer, remains a chilling enigma. Local villagers reported seeing a shadowy figure near her remote Spanish villa, but no concrete evidence emerged. The story's unsettling atmosphere and the potential for a local legend fueled speculation about a sinister secret within the idyllic. The cicada's final song faded over the Tuscan hillside as Leo sketched the golden olive groves, A lone, elderly woman offered him biscotti, her eyes mirroring the sunset's warmth. "This beauty," she whispered, "is a reminder to savor every last moment." A poignant, bittersweet farewell to summer's magic. The disappearance of Kirsten Ackfeldt in 1992, near Lake Storsjön in Sweden, remains a chilling enigma. A young mother vanished without a trace, her tent abandoned, despite seemingly calm weather. Theories range from abduction to suicide, fueled by the lack of concrete evidence and the poignant image of her sleeping child. Did you know that in parts of rural Spain and Portugal, the Segovia, a late summer rainstorm, triggers a spectacular bloom? These intense, localized downpours awaken dormant wildflowers, creating breathtaking carpets of color across the hillsides. This fleeting spectacle is vital for pollinators and a cherished tradition. Did you know that in many parts of Europe, the fog in furnaces, locally known as Neville in furnaces, occurs at the very end of summer? This eerie, localized fog forms due to warm, moist air rising over cooler ground, a stunning, fleeting phenomenon signifying summer's final, dramatic exhale. Did you know that in parts of Spain and Portugal, the migas tradition explodes at the end of summer? Families gather to transform leftover bread into a hearty, flavorful dish, often seasoned with peppers and chorizo. This wasn't